Okay, if you want to jazz up your street a little bit to have a stone sidewalk, what you would do is you would draw it very similar to a normal sidewalk, where the lines would go to the vanishing points. Now my vanishing points are extra close, just for the sake of this demonstration, okay? And then you're going to, so there's my sidewalk. You have to have a bit of a curb to your sidewalk, or and level up for it. My pencil needs some sharpening, but okay. And then you're going to approach it very similarly as you would a normal sidewalk, where horizontal lines are going to go to the opposite vanishing point. So you want to draw just some of those in to get an idea. I gotta go sharpen my pencil. Okay, so you want to have just draw some lines going to both vanishing points coming out. So this gives you a standard 2-point perspective sidewalk. Okay, and these lines would get smaller as they are going further back in perspective. That's your standard sidewalk. Now, if you want to turn this into a cobblestone sidewalk, well, you use those lines as sort of a template, and you also add some more lines to the vanishing point. So if you continue lines to the vanishing points from here and over here, just some random lines, because cobblestones aren't always perfectly the same size. There's going to be some variation there. It gives you an idea of the basic grid format that you can then start drawing in sort of cobblestones. Now, cobblestones come in different shapes. There might be more rectangular ones or rounder ones. You could have ones that are more like flagstone, where you have bigger ones in there that might extend out. But it gives you a format for starting to draw the stone pavement or stone sidewalk for your city. Okay, and once you have all of those blocks laid in, then you can work on adding more details and more shading as you need to. Okay, naturally the ones that are closer to you are going to be larger, and the ones that go a bit further back are going to be smaller in scale. So the ones all the way back here, you probably wouldn't even see individual bits. So you can see how much smaller they're getting back there. So big, medium, small. I hope that helps.